Hello and welcome to Yaya's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare you a pasta salad. So first you need some pasta, any kind you like, and you need a half a cup of black olives, finely chopped, and then some uh, half a cup of finely chopped uh, garlic chicken, and then you need another half of a cup of red and green bell peppers. Okay, so and then as the condiments you need olive oil, sea salt, uh, black pepper, uh, parsley, garlic powder, and you can choose any kind of vinaigrette like blush wine and extra virgin olive oil. So today I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil. So first you put you put your green and red bell peppers in. Get this out of the way first. And then you put in your chicken. And then third, you're putting in your black olives. And then you need to stir. And see how it turns up. Then you put just a drizzle of olive oil. And then just a dash of sea salt. Then you need to mix again. Add your black pepper, just a dash. And then finally your extra virgin olive oil. Just like kind of like a teaspoon of it will be good, just to get all that flavor. Need to stir. And then just a dash of parsley. Just want a little bit, we don't want to overpower it. And then another dash of garlic powder. Just a little bit. And then this is the final stir. And then so now you're done mixing and putting in your ingredients. Now you just put it, have a top, put in a top, and then see how this turned out. And now you just put your lid on. And then put it in the fridge. Okay, that's it of Yaya's Kitchen. Come back for more and please subscribe. Okay, thank you. Bye. And it's cookies and milk. Okay, bye.